Bend down, it doesn't hurt as much as when I come up. That's when there's days I just feel like sharp pain, and it like makes it hard to like straighten up.
So what I think a lot of your problem is right now is it's actually your L5. So we have to work on your L5 first.
I can't wait.
Okay.
Yeah,
That hurt quick.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Not too bad, Ray.
no, that was actually good. I don't know. It just feels, it just doesn't feel as tight. Oh,
Nice.
for someone to like get rid of that area, like that tightness in that area. You see so much.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.